Your company relies on you to move your product's design through engineering and into manufacturing. You need a comprehensive set of engineering tools that will automate your everyday workflows, allowing you to focus on problem solving and adding value for your company. The Autodesk Product Design and Manufacturing Collection is a complete set of design, engineering and manufacturing tools with integrated data management. Create your design as a 3D digital model inside Autodesk Inventor and benefit in your downstream processes. Create configurable designs to efficiently respond to customer requests. Integrated simulation tools allow you to analyze and improve your product's performance earlier in the design process. Analyze tolerances and balance assembly fit versus machining cost. CAM toolpaths can be added in the same environment, using the same data, updating automatically when the model is revised. Create PCBs in Fusion 360 and take advantage of Fusion's cloud connection for rendering, generative design, advanced simulation, and additive and subtractive CAM. Visualize and optimize your entire production line or work cell for maximum performance. And document your design with manufacturing drawings using the industry standard DWG format. Build on your experience with the tools you're familiar with and take your ideas to the next generation platform in the cloud. Decrease your time to market, reduce errors from manual processes, and increase the return from your investment in your Inventor model with the Autodesk Product Design and Manufacturing Collection.